family. It's not that hard to do, it just takes work. We cut some bruises along the way, but that's okay. Family, it has its ups and downs, but we get up, back up off the ground, and we start over the very next day.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Millie.
We just did a Disney runway.
We did do a Disney runway.
And guys, we're now going to the beach.
We are on our way to the beach. It's been a very long time. We've been busy, and then we had a new baby that we didn't really want to take out there. And so we decided that we need to go to the beach before it gets too cold.
Yeah.
So we are on our way to the beach.
So we are going to dip Little May's feet in, I guess.
Yeah, maybe we'll dip Willow May's feet in the water. You want to do that, Willow May?
Yeah, she's saying yes.
She's saying yes.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a fun day, right, Millie?
Because we don't have Little May a bathing suit.
No, she's still a little bit too young that
Yeah,
really want to take all the way in
Little
there.
May gets big.
Yeah. So we will see you when we get there. What, Millie?
When I get big, I can hold Willow.
Yes.
Yep. When you get big, you can hold Willow.
Okay.
All right, guys. We'll see you.
We have arrived in Gulf Shores, looking for a quick bite to eat. But there's not really any quick bites to eat. And I'm pretty sure we talk about this every single time we come down here. But yet we still wait till we're down here. I don't know, I guess it's just like our thing that we do. Gulf Shores is like, what, 20 minutes from our house? So
Yeah.
it's not really that far.
Alright guys, we're at the beach and it is so windy I can't even think straight, like it's crazy. But I got some friends, I'm going to show you some cool seagull shots. Y'all ready for this? Here we go. Alright, so that's what happens when you accidentally spill all of your french fries with a herd of seagulls around. Yeah, flock of seagulls. A flock of seagulls around. So anyway, luckily all the fries are gone, so we're not attacked by seagulls anymore. So, yay!
thirsty?
Yeah, I want water.
So, here we go.
All right, guys, so we are home and we are making French onion soup. Low carb, right, babe? French onion soup. Mama's cutting a cry onion. Hi, Mom. It's gonna be good, can't wait. Okay, everybody, so we just got done doing the last few steps of the French onion soup, and we don't really know if we did it right because the cheese isn't staying on top, so we can actually bake the cheese. So all the cheese fell to the bottom of the bowl, but I'm still thinking it's gonna be super good either way. So what do you think, Mom?
I think it's gonna taste good.
I think it's gonna taste real good. So, okay, Millie has something to say. As y'all always know, she has something to say anytime the camera's on. So let's see what that is.
Guys, I just got in the bath, so a baby one that had a bicycle so you can ride, and put a baby doll in it. And I put a baby doll in it, so peace out.
She said peace out. So, peace out! What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse in your swing? Is that what you're doing? Willow Mae's favorite show, you guys, is Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. She loves it.
And she loves Monsters Inc.
She also loves Monsters Inc. Hi. Hi. All right, guys, the French onion soup is done, and OMG, it looks amazing. And check this out. This is really like random here, but that one didn't do like this one does, but check this one out. That's what I am talking about, guys. Look at that. French onion soup at its finest. Woo!
Okay, guys, the cookies are done.
The cookies are done. We're about to put them in the oven, right?
Yeah, but look. You have to come look, guys.
There we go.
There we go. Let's see what they're gonna look like when they're done. All right, they're done, guys. Look at them.
Guys.
They look really good. All right, guys, so we are going to enjoy the rest of the night, finish dinner, and watch our TV show, and then get to bed, because Millie's got school tomorrow, right? Millie's got school tomorrow.
And I'm going to take photos there.
Yeah, she's got picture day tomorrow at school. So, we're excited about the day. It was really fun. We love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Peace out.
Peace out.